Assalamualaikum. This is my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Pakistan law, the Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967, Act Xvii of 1967, amendments 2012. The Punjab government has amended the said law with insertion of two new sections 135A and 142A in PLRA 1967 for the protection of inheritance property of deceased for mutation among his third legal heirs, especially women. As per said amendments, the revenue officer may transfer the deceased property among his legal heirs within 5 month proceedings or earlier. According to the section 135A, partition in case of inheritance. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 135, immediately after the inheritance, mutation has been sanctioned and without any application, the revenue officer shall serve notice on all the joint land owners of the holding to submit within 30 days a scheme of private partition agreed to by all the joint land owners. If the scheme of private partition under subsection 1 is submitted, the revenue officer shall affirm the scheme in accordance with the law. Notwithstanding anything contained in this act, a scheme for private partition between all the joint land owners may include site of a town or a village. If the scheme under subsection is not filed within the stipulated time, the revenue officer shall immediately commence proceedings for the partition of the joint holding. According to the section 142A, a time limit for decision of partition cases, the revenue officer shall decide the case of partition within a period of 180 days, 6 months from the date of application for a partition or from the date of sanctioning of the mutation of inheritance. If the revenue officer, for reasons beyond his control, is unable to decide the case of partition within the time stipulated in subsection, he shall submit the case with reasons to the district collector 15 days prior to the expiry of that period for extension of the period. The district collector may, in an exceptional case and for reasons to be recorded, grant one-time extension of time for decision of a partition case for a period not exceeding 60 days, subject to such conditions as he deems appropriate to impose for expeditious disposal of the case. In case the revenue officer is required to decide the question of title in the partition proceedings, the case may be referred to the concerned competent court of law. Furthermore, the new law, the Punjab Enforcement of Women Property Act 2012, has been enacted. So this is the Punjab Land Revenue Act 1967, Act Xvii of 1967, amendments 2012, Pakistan law.